Hey guys, this is Sam. Welcome back. Today we are going to finally try the Ektar 100. I am so sorry about the not in focus opening, but oh well, sometimes we just lost focus. It's life, it happens. And welcome to another episode of Sam finally tried the Ektar 100. Hooray! Knowing me, if you already been watching my other videos, you already know I always have some leftover film to finish before we can get down to the real stuff. This time, we are starting the day with a fresh roll of Portra 400. If you just want to see the Ektar part, you can click on the timestamp to time jump. If not, enjoy some California golden sunset on the almighty Portra 400 first. I love this first shot. I was trying to get the couple who was sitting on the bench taking selfie, but I was too nervous to walk up to them until I missed the shot. Then I decided to wait for the frame to clear up. Excuse me, can I take a picture of you? Yeah! Do you want to? Can you like stand right here? This shot is not bad, but much more intentional. I wish I could capture this moment on film as well. So you see, this is not a real POV since I'm shooting this with a video camera and film camera. My video camera is recording either before or after the photo is taken. I gotta figure out a better way to do this. I like this accidentally walking in my frame type of shot. It was almost 90 degrees this afternoon. It's only beginning of April. Oh my god. Take picture of people who is taking pictures so they don't see me taking picture of them. Am I rude? Stealing this shot from them? I always think. And then I was too nervous to get the focus right. This is a nice object to check how this film handling simple color. And this is a shot to test how this film handling backlight. So, I like to ask permission for a photo. Excuse me, can I take a picture of you?
Oh, sure.
You can just do your thing. It might not be a typical street photography, more like a street portraiture at this point, but I just feel more confident and comfortable taking picture this way. Thank you so much.
No problem.
Thank
you. What's your name?
Maybe street photography is just not for me. I don't know.
Oh.
Excuse me, can I take a picture of you?
Sure.
Alright, hold on. Excuse me, can I take a picture of you guys? Yeah, you guys can just look at the ocean, just like what you're doing. Alright, you guys want to look at me and do like a group picture? Yeah? Thank you.
Thank you.
I cropped this picture later and I think I like the cropped one more. This might be my favorite shot of the day. Falling asleep, watching the ocean and the sunset. What a dream. I'm wondering what kind of dream he is having right now. This last shot is also for science, so I can see how Portra 400 handles color and contrast, and also to compare with the Ektar 100. 游戏。 The first shot of my first roll of Ektar 100 is the same umbrella. I just want to see the differences. This is a much finer film. There is less green, the color is more vibrant. Compared with the Portra 400, the Ektar 100 does show a pretty visible magenta tone in my default scan. It might be my scanning setting, I'm not 100% sure. Do you also think it kind of look purple? Leave me a comment below, let me know. Can I take a picture of you? Can I take a picture of you?
Yeah. Put my sunglasses down.
When I just bought the Ektar 100, I looked up the feature of this film. I also watched some other review videos. I thought I'm not going to like this film much because it might be too colorful and too contrasty for me. The first couple of shots, I wasn't quite happy about it, to be honest. But as I'm scanning the rest of the roll, some of the shots came out really nice. I think it just comes down to what I'm shooting. At this point, I think I like it more when I'm shooting simple, vibrant color in direct sunlight. I mean, this is only my first roll of Ektar 100. I will definitely need to shoot more with this film to know how I would like to use it. And this is me waving at them, by the way. Excuse me, can I take a picture of you? Thank you. Thank you. And in the end, I see this cute little truck with a rose sitting behind the windshield. It's really lovely. I tried many angles, wide close-up from the side, from the front, but I couldn't find the right frame to capture the cuteness I see with my own eye. I still took a shot in the end. And no matter how this shot looks, I think this shot will always remind me, if you pay attention, there is always a flower in life. Alright, I finally finished a roll of Ektar. Alright, so this is it for this week's video. I hope you like it. For next week, we are going to do a portrait photo shoot at night on CineStill 800T. Don't forget to check it out. I will see you next week. Bye. 好好看哦。